Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Love Promise Coordinator, Product Specialist here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is going to be about how to change the battery on your key fob. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos on everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom over the last almost 19 years of working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please like the video, hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there, subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that people get use out of the videos, and let me keep making them for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so if you get in your car and you go to start it up, fuel level low, you get that message there. Access battery low. You need to change your battery soon. Here's how you do it. All right, so like I said, this is really easy to change the battery in your key fob. First step is you need to get a new battery. We charge like $5 for these things. They're super cheap. They're not gonna last as long as they did on an older car. These keys do so much more than just unlocking and locking the car. So, 3 years or so, maybe a little longer, maybe a little bit less, depending on how much you use the key. But it's $5 every 3 years, it's not bad. So first step of doing this is, like I said, buying the battery. Second step is get the battery out. So on the back side of the key here, there's a little silver button. Subaru makes it look like you should pull this guy to the side, but you really got to get something down in there. I like to use my finger, mash my fingernail down in there, and on the top part of the key, this guy just comes out. And this is your emergency key if you ever need to use this. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but there's a spot where you can clearly see where the key separates, and we need to get this back piece off. So all I do is I take my key, I'm gonna take my key and take like a Phillips head screwdriver, and right in the top portion just kind of get in there and twist and get that back piece to pop off. And then what you gotta do is you gotta get that battery out of there. And don't be worried if this guy could even just come out. And get that battery out. Put the new battery in. Needs to go with that back side facing out. The only way it really fits. And then just take your key, put all the pieces back together, and you can really just kind of smash it together until you hear a snap. And then you got to get this key back in. I like to kind of push that silver tab at the top. I like to push that guy back and kind of get it out of there and just fit the key back in. You're gonna hear a little snap. There you go. You got a new battery in your key fob. If you do need to replace your key, you can't just come to the dealership with one key for us to program it. We need all of the keys you have, and we'll need to reprogram your keys. That's if you buy a new key. Because once we program that new key, your other key will not work. So we need everything, and we need to reprogram everything. Just a little tip for you. All right, that's changing the battery on your key fob. Thanks for watching.